Here is to multiply these two rational expressions and state the excluded values. So first thing I'm going to do in any of these types of problems is to factor each numerator and denominator here first. So this becomes a difference of squares. So x squared minus 9 is the same thing as x plus 3 times x minus 3. In the bottom here, I'm going to factor by looking for two numbers that multiply to 8 that add to 6, which would be 4 and 2. So this becomes x plus 4 times x plus 2. Now the denominator on the second term here is x plus 3. That can't be factored anymore. And now the top, I have an a value of greater than 1. So there's a couple extra steps in this factoring process. I'm going to multiply the a times the c value, which gives me negative 8. My b value is 7. And the two things that multiply to negative 8 that add to 7 is 8 and negative 1. So that breaks it up into 2x squared plus 8x minus 4. So I'm just breaking up this b value into 8x minus x. Now I am going to factor by grouping. So I can pull out a common factor here of 2x, which leaves me with x plus 4. And I can take out a common factor here of negative 1, which leaves x plus 4. And because these two are the same thing, I can then factor that out to get my final factored form of this numerator as 2x minus 1 times x plus 4. Now, before I move any further, I'm actually going to do the excluded values at this point because I can see which values of x cannot be. So we have x cannot equal negative 2 because it would make the denominator 0. Can't be negative 3 or it would make this denominator 0. And it can't be negative 4 or make this denominator 0. So those are my excluded values. Make sure not to forget those. Now, what I can do is I can simplify this because I'm just multiplying across here. So I'm multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. I can cancel out anything that is the same. So x plus 3 and x plus 3 cancel. X plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel. So then my final answer is whatever's left I'm going to multiply. So the top is going to be 2x minus 1 times x minus 3. And the bottom here is x plus 2 is the only thing left. Now you could leave your answer like this, or you could multiply the top here to give us 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3, or 2x squared minus 7x plus 3, and all of that is over x plus 2. So there are my two final answers.